How to log in to Sure Payroll employee account. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to easily log into the Sure Payroll employee account. For that, you first have to head over to your web browser and search for Sure Payroll employee login. Tap on the first link that you see from Sure Payroll. Now, if you are a customer, you just tap on customer login, and if you are an accountant or an enrollment officer, you could just choose the second option. Now just tap on the employee login option. And from here, tap on this employee login down below. Provide your username right here to log into your account. So I'll just go ahead and tap right here and enter the username. Then you could choose this box to make sure that your browser remembers your login so that you don't have to enter it every time you try to log into your account. Then you just tap on employee login. And the next step is to enter your password. Just go ahead and enter your password right here. Make sure that your password is correct. Tap on employee login and you should be able to log in without any problem. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.